Well, Samantha was looking for a non-surgical solution to get rid of stubborn fat around her midsection. She went to see Dr. Mulholland at Spamedica.
My problem areas are my love handles and my lower tummy. I have done probably everything under the sun. I worked out, I have personal trainers, I go to the gym, I've had athletic therapy, aquafit, anything that I could do, I've done it, and I just can't get rid of this stubborn fat.
Samantha is a typical patient we see for non-surgical liposuction. The technologies that kill fat without a procedure. She's fit, she works out, she's dieted, she's exercises, she does all the things she needs to get the shape she wants, but she's got stubborn, localized collections of fat. Let's look at where our non-surgical lipo is going to be targeting. Well, that's good, you wear your workout pants. So this kind of shows the areas that bug you, right? So point to what bugs you. I don't want to guess, you'd show me.
This.
Ah, yes, the pot. That little area of jiggly wiggly fat that bugs you. What you're seeing today is our patient getting sculpture. Why? Because she's quite tiny. Sculpture sits on the skin, doesn't need any suction, and emits heat. It heats the fat just to the point of discomfort so it's comfortable, and then it kills it. Samantha, there you are. Good to see you again. Here we are at the end of your journey.
I feel amazing.
Good, so it's worked for you.
Yeah. During my sculpture procedure, it was intervals of hot air and cold air. So immediately after I was done, it felt a little warm to the touch, not uncomfortable in any way, and I was swollen for about a week. I saw results about 4 weeks after, which is amazing.
I can see a visible difference. Right? It's not that all the fat is gone, it's just that pinchable fat is much less. So now I can pinch about an inch. I used to be able to pinch about 3 inches. And just maintain your normal healthy fitness and lifestyle.
Absolutely.
And I think you'll be having many beach vacations.
Yes, I think so too.
Okay.
Thank you so much.